Hey guys, it's Kent from Ergonics here, and we're at the Athlete's Foot in Carindale, and we're asking the staff what are the common questions they get asked around running injuries, shoes, and foot pain that they'd like answered. So we're here with Matty, and he's got a question to ask, and the question is:
how often should customers be replacing their running shoes?
So how often should customers be replacing their running shoes? And it's a great question, comes up all the time. So generally, as a general rule, we say about a year or about 1,000 Ks. So it really depends on how much you're running in your shoes, how much mileage you're doing, and what you're doing in them. So if, as a general yardstick, most people would do 1,000 Ks in a year if they're a really low intensity runner. But if you're running 10 Ks a day, 3 times a week, you're gonna wear your shoes out a lot sooner. So, between that 700 and 1,000 K mark is where most running shoes would absolutely be worn out. And the other things you can do is you can actually check the structural features of the shoes, and if the shoe starts to twist too much, it won't support your feet. If the heel counter starts to collapse, like this one has, this is a really old shoe by the way, it won't support your feet and grip the heel counter won't grip your foot. So the heel counter is really important because it'll grip your foot and help to stop it from pronating and supinating. So that's a really important stability feature. And obviously you can check the wear patterns on the outsole here. You can see that this one's worn right around the central section and it's absolutely cooked. So you're getting no support through this section. So about 1,000 Ks, about a year, and if your shoes generally start to move too much, they need to be replaced.